joined by Jeff Veis, Vice President of Solutions Marketing with HP Autonomy. Jeff, can you tell us a little bit more about HP Autonomy's search program?
Well, yes. Well, let me first talk about the offering that we have. It's really distinctive, and for a lot of organizations, it's going to change how they find and use the information they have. You know, traditional search is mostly focused on keywords and metadata, and that works fine maybe for searching things out on the web, but when you go to an enterprise, you want to be able to search on context. You want to be able to find the information based on the meaning of what you're looking for. And the information you want to find is often not text, not just files. It can be audio information, increasingly it's video information, and in all different kinds of formats. That's exactly what HP Autonomy Enterprise Search does. It's based on a technology called IDLE. And what IDLE does is really advanced pattern recognition, so you can search based on meaning. And this is across different languages, different file formats, to find the information in context, to get what you need regardless of where it's stored and regardless of what formats it's in. It's unique in the industry. Most other search programs can't touch it.
HP Autonomy recently launched its Enterprise Search Rescue program. Can you give us a little more detail about that and what led to its creation?
Well, absolutely. In fact, I have the brochure here, the official brochure, and we are calling it tongue-in-cheek a rescue program. It's specifically for Microsoft and Endeca users. Those two offerings are prevalent. They're traditional offerings. And recently, both vendors made announcements that they are going to focus and target those offerings on only searching their own proprietary data repositories. So for Microsoft, that's focusing primarily on searching SharePoint, and for Oracle, it's focused on mostly their commerce offerings. Now, the challenge with that is information is actually becoming increasingly diversified. It's on your smartphone, it's on your PC, it's on edge devices, and especially it's in the cloud. So what our feeling is, and what customers tell us, is they want an offering that you can search broader. You can search it regardless of the location. And for that reason, we've come out with this migration program, this rescue program, that offers incentives to be able to, from an economic standpoint and a technical standpoint, move over to HP Autonomy Enterprise Search and do it at an incredible price point.
Great. Now, for people who are interested in migrating over to HP Autonomy's platform, what is HP Autonomy doing to make this process a little smoother and more seamless?
Well, we first of all made the program really easy for people to decide on. It comes in two options: a pay less, get more, which everybody likes to pay less and get more. That option allows you to actually take what your vendor or your company is paying today for maintenance and the ongoing support for its own enterprise search, for example, from FAST. And what we will do is go 10% below that. So it's an immediate 10% cost savings. That's not just in year one, that's over 5 years that we will guarantee that. And that covers getting over to enterprise search, of course getting the licensing for that, and for limited scope professional services to cover it. So pretty much all in one. The other offering is a value-based offering, which we customize it based on a specific need, based on how many documents, the size of your repository, and that's at a very aggressive economical promotional price. The net is we're probably going to save you money, and we're going to be able to rapidly move you over. Now, we back that up with our own professional services. We've done these migrations almost in every industry, certainly in every region. So we have the expertise to understand how you take your existing traditional search and move that over. Often it can be done in 60 days or less. We've had some customers do it in less than 30 days. So fairly straightforward and something that's going to make an immediate impact.
Great. Thanks, Jeff. And if you're interested in finding out more on HP Autonomy's Search Rescue program, please visit our website at www.autonomy.com/fast search rescue. Thanks.